Hi, welcome back to Develop 3D Live. We're here with Alexander Pluke. Alexander, who are you working for now and what's the company name?
Oh, things are changing, aren't they? All the time in life. So I was CEO and CTO of Additive Flow, and we recently acquired now by Dimension. And so my new title is GM and CTO of Additive Flow, division of Dimension, which is many syllables, but we'll get used to it. We'll get used to it, and it's been lovely so far. Thanks for the welcome.
You're welcome. So yeah, today being on the computational design panel. You've spoken at Develop 3D Live before. I mean, how's this year been? Has it been exciting?
I love it. I mean, I think firstly, the location is great. You know, Warwick University, center of excellence globally for manufacturing. And the panel itself had a really nice mix of people. So we had people like Brad from NTOP, we had Matt from Lattice Robot, we had Moritz from Hyperganic, and Alice from MTC, and also SJ Hosting. So it was quite a nice diverse panel, and we had some great discussions, and no one fought. We were all very polite. There was a bit of a hustle about who's going to sit in which chair, and I'm joking, by the way. That was a bad joke. Bad joke. Go ahead.
Well, there's an international feel to it as well this year, I think, which is
does.
nice to get a lot of different viewpoints and different companies. I mean, there's a lot of exciting technology in that sphere. I mean, obviously, apart from your own, I mean, is there anything really exciting happening that you think that's, been showcased well today?
I think what we're seeing in the industry is a transition from design, computational design, into computational thinking. And how can we look at decision-making as a whole, not just within additive manufacturing, but manufacturing engineering in general. And I see where a lot of the established players and new players within tools and software are really making a difference is connecting these different silos much more. How do we integrate with PLM? How do we talk and help traditional engineering and take people on that journey together?
Cool. And the hardware itself, for producing the parts is really catching up with this sort of design ethos as well. I mean, there's been a lot of examples here today of companies doing lots of exciting things. Have you seen any talks that have really caught your eye? Yeah,
absolutely. I mean, there's, of course, a lot of progress within the machine side, the technology, the hardware. We're looking at additive manufacturing, but also other advanced manufacturing processes. And that's also paired with progress in materials. And if we look at kind of the journey of additive manufacturing, which has been around, I think someone told me since 1984, someone correct me. And there's been, fits and starts in being able to adopt and create value and create learning. But now we're having real machine stability start to come through. And that's happening because we are bringing in sensors into the fold. We've got in-process monitoring, we've got metrology happening, and that's allowing us to have assurance and either correct for the inherent stochastic process of the way that, say, lasers are melting powder or materials are being formed, and also bring some of these decisions up front. To the design engineering. I was speaking to some of the PLM people from Siemens and Aras as well today. And I think what was really interesting is they were coming at it from very much a process level. How do you run an engineering process? How do you get digitization of manual paper workflows and so on? And how do you communicate with all that data? And if you look at kind of software that Additive Flow has been working on, we're very much around part level, assembly level. How do you harness the machine capabilities to make production faster, to ensure that things are actually going to work? How do you avoid failure in production?
Well, it's all about that production element, isn't it?
Oh, exactly.
It's all about taking it from being a prototyping to production. And I think what's happened today is we've seen a lot of really high-end people talking about production and additive and generative design and computational design as this thing that is now entrenched in their workflows, and it's been a great day to see some of that technology on show. So thank you very much for coming. It's been great to have you here. And it's been a wonderful day at Develop 3D Live.
Yeah.
Hopefully see you soon.
Delighted.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.